Okay, it's day 18 of my Daily 10 workout program, and today we are getting in a leg day. No repeats. We're using a little heavier weight with those dumbbells today. So grab yours, challenge yourself, and just do your best, guys. It's only 10 minutes. Here we go.
I'm sorry that you messed up, but I don't take revenge. I'm leaving with my head up. Yeah, I know I can pretend. Yeah, I know I can pretend. 'Cause it will never be the same. Let it follow you. See your face and feel ashamed. No, you better move. No, you better move. Cause it will never be the same. Let it follow you. See your face and feel ashamed. No, you better move. No, you better move.
Rip up the bass, my DJ is live in the place. I'm on the mic with my lyrical flow. I like it when the bass line's low. I'm on the mic with my lyrical flow. I like it when the bass line's low.
feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. Lose control, get away. Lose control, come whatever may. Lose control, get away. I feel better on the weekend. Where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better on the weekend. Give my life a better meaning. Let me stay where I'm in phase. I feel better on the weekend. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. Let me go far away. Let me go where my memories fade. Let me go far away. I feel better on the weekend. Lose control, get away. Lose control, come whatever may. Lose control, get away. I feel better on the weekend. Should've known that it was obvious. Should've read between the lines. Caught the eyes of the audience. Played your game where the rules do not apply. Now I see when it's out in the light. And I'm leaving your life behind. Now I see that you're out of my life. I don't need you. Every day we had another fight. I was far too blind to realize that our love had got out of control. Should've known I was better off alone. Now I see when it's out in the light. And I'm leaving your life behind. Now I see that you're out of my life. I don't need you.
Nice work, team. Your leg day workout is complete. Just a quick 10 minutes today. I hope you're feeling the burn. Comment below, let me know how it went for you. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Turn those notifications on so you never miss a new workout. I'll see you guys soon.